Hello everyone, welcome to your Project 2 problem section. In this one you need to know up to chapter 9 because you're going to be doing some natural language processing. We're going to use Kaggle to do an NLP project. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Kaggle like before from project 1, and you're going to look for some sort of information that has text in it, like some chat information, maybe some tweet data, anything that you can look at tags in Kaggle, so put in like tweets or natural language processing, NLP, and you'll start to see data sets that have some chat information on them. So one thing with these guys, when you're doing these Kaggle problems, you don't have to use the entire data set. If it's taking your computer forever to run, please do just like take a subset. You only need like 10,000 rows or something like that, and that should run on any computer, no problem, these days at least. So do keep that in mind. You don't have to be running like 100 megabyte data sets, because we haven't taught you about parallelization and how to do like high performance computing. Okay, next you need to use some sort of NLP technique. Either use a TF-IDF or sentiment analysis, or both if you're feeling brave. Please do consider that. And then you're going to calculate a sentiment analysis using one NLP value based on your data set. So basically, like, I want you to not just like run sentiment analysis on one person or one chat and that's it, and just have a bunch of numbers. I want you to try and convert that information or parse it into something that's interesting that takes in other information from that data set. Please be creative. This is basically what I'm saying, but don't just run the sentiment analysis and that's the end of task. Try and make something. And then lastly, report your results in some way. Show me a print and like a comment on what it's showing me. Okay, so in terms of libraries, you're definitely going to need Natural Language Toolkit. You might only need NumPy, but I'm saying the SciPy here in case you're doing some like cool NLP stuff, like you want to do a parts of speech or something to that effect. So with that, guys, see you in the answer section.